What's up, everybody? You know what time it is. It's time to cook. Fat Cracker here, and I got a special one for you today. I was up in Pensacola this weekend, watched a little YouTube up there, saw something called Pimento Macaroni and Cheese. So we're going to make that tonight. I'm going to show you how we do it. Let's get going. All right, we got our food processor out. We got 6 straight out the coop eggs in it. We're going to sprinkle some Slap Your Mama in there. We're going to throw in some paprika. We're going to put some garlic powder. All right, we're going to get this blended. All right, we got that all blended up. We'll get over here and get started putting everything together and show you how it's done. All right, we're going to start with our macaroni. I've already boiled it. A little salt and butter in the water. Let me pull my spoon out real quick. Set that in there like that. Then we're going to add a pound of bacon I fried and diced up. 3 jars of pimento, 2 drained, 1 not. And then we're going to add our mayonnaise. Still a little thin. Get that in there. And we want to get it all out of there. All right, then we're going to add some cheese. I grated up. It's a mix between extra sharp and Colby Jack. We're going to throw some in there. And that mayonnaise replaces the roux. So we get that in there. We're going to get it all mixed up. Get that cheese well mixed in there. We saved a little bit. We're going to put on top. All right, I'll finish mixing this up and we'll get it over in a pan and show you how we set it up before we stick it in the oven. All right, we got everything out in our 9x13. We're going to come in and sprinkle the rest of our cheese on top. We got our oven preheated to 350. And we're going to put this in the oven. Probably about 30 minutes, 30 to 45. I'll let you know exactly how long it took to cook it. This is my first time doing it. And we'll see how it turns out. While it's cooking, I'm going to go out and grill some chicken and go along with it. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys. We got our macaroni out of the oven. Everything's looking good. So we're going to give it a taste test. Take a little bit here out of the corner. Put it right there. And we'll get over here and we'll do the taste test. All right, let's give it a taste, see what she tastes like. This is my first time tried it. See how it turned out. Got some bacon in it, some pimentos in it. Cool it down a little bit because it's still hot. Oh yeah, that's it right there. You like pimento cheese? That's definitely it right there. You can taste that pimento in there. The bacon adds a little extra kick, and the seasonings in the mayonnaise I made. That's pretty good right there. Like I said, watched the video, got the idea. people I watch put it on a grilled cheese. They put the macaroni on bread with mayo and butter on it and did a grilled cheese out of it. I might try that one tomorrow or something, see how that turns out. But as far as just the mac and cheese, this is it right here, bud. Remember, guys, if you ain't trying, you ain't making it, bud. Here's another one for Fat Cracker. Y'all have a good one.